Welcome to the BoldSign API tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through embedding a custom field creation link into your application using the BoldSign .NET SDK. I'll show you how to generate a custom field creation link, integrate it using an iframe, allowing users to create, edit, and delete custom fields directly from your app. If you're new to the BoldSign API, check out our previous video. The links are in this video's description to help you get started with the application. Imagine you as an HR lead handling hundreds of applications and contracts each month. You often repeat the same fields, like employee ID, with specific formatting and validation. Recreating them each time is slow and inconsistent. With reusable custom fields, you can simply drag and drop pre-configured fields onto any document, ensuring faster, consistent, and error-free form preparation. Before we start, make sure you have .NET 7 or higher installed. You can install the BoldSign .NET SDK using NuGet package. To install the package, run this command in your terminal. Since I have already installed the .NET SDK, I confirm the setup by running this command, which displays the version installed in my project directory. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. To generate custom field creation link, I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the .NET code snippet for generating custom field creation link, and paste it in your program.cs file. Next, I update the code. In the API client, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app, navigate to the API menu, select API key, and generate a new key. The custom field client object allows us to perform all custom field operations through the BoldSign API. I initialize it by passing the configured API client to it, which already contains the API key. The embedded custom field details object is the request model required by the BoldSign API to generate the embedded custom field creation URL. I create a new instance of it and set the brand ID and the link valid till. To retrieve the brand ID, I navigate to the BoldSign web app, expand the settings menu, and choose branding. I click the context menu and select Use Brand ID to copy it and paste it here. You can set the link valid till parameter to define when the generated URL expires. The default expiration date is 30 days from now. I set it to 5 days from now. On the custom field client, I call the create embedded custom field URL method by passing the embedded custom field details. Finally, I print the generated link to the console. I run the application and the console outputs the generated custom field creation link. Next, I'll show you how to embed this link within an iframe. I copy this full URL and set it to the source attribute of the iframe in my HTML file. I save the file and open it in the browser. The BoldSign custom field creation page loads directly inside the iframe. This is now fully embedded in my application. With this embedded custom field creation page, users can create, edit, and delete custom fields. For example, to customize a frequently used form field like this text box for employee ID, drag the text box from the left panel onto the page. The field is already marked as required by default, so I'll leave it that way. In the hint text, I type employee ID and increase the font size. Under validation, I choose only numbers, and the field only accepts numeric input. Then I click Save as Custom Field, name it Employee ID, and click Save. If I need to change anything later, like the font style or font size, I can just drag the form field onto the document, make my changes, click Update Custom Form Field, and then Publish. If a field is no longer needed, I can delete it by clicking the Delete icon. Please note that the Custom Form Fields feature allows only account administrators to customize standard form fields and save them for future use. Other users can create custom form fields only if the account administrator has enabled the Allow Custom Field Creation property in the brand settings. However, any custom fields created by them will not be visible to others in the organization. In this video, I've shown you how to generate custom field creation link and integrate it into your application via an iframe, enabling users to create, edit, and delete custom fields directly in your app. Thank you for watching. That's it. If you found this video helpful, Please like and subscribe to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorials.